Everybody, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you how to create this flyer real quick. Let's start with Photoshop. Let me show you how to do this. So you're going to go to Photoshop and you're going to go to file, you're going to new, and then we are going to set the parameters or the dimensions to this. Okay, so set your pixels over here. Let's call it 2000. Let's call this side what, 2300 over here. Let's call it Eid Mubarak flyer, and then RGB color here. Everything is like this. Click on create. Also go to view, and then let's set our guards over there. I'm going to set this side also to 8, and then let's type display 0. Let's type display 0, and then let's click on OK. Alright, so now we're going to start with the background. And so the background, what I'm going to do is I am going to place embedded, and then let's see, I'm going to bring it over there. Great, looks good. I'll click on OK. Alright, now it should be in the middle. You can see, guys, look at this. Okay, you can see this is in the middle of it. Really important. Okay, now it helps your document or your file or your flyer to be really middle aligned. Now once that is done, we need to start typing over there. So I'm going to type over here, and then I'm going to bring in the rest of the details. I'm going to bring this. Okay, so happy Eid. I'm going to paste it there, and the file that I'm going to be using is, I'm going to be using the font Montserrat. I'm going to be using extra bold. Okay, and then the font size, I'm going to be setting it to 40, let's see, 48. Make it quite big. All right, and then let's click on our move to, let's push it somewhere in the middle. We also want it to be like that. Okay, now I want it to be middle aligned, so we got to align it really well. Now I feel like this is too big, so maybe we need to reduce it a little bit more. Okay, I don't like it to be too big like that. I think this is okay. Okay, so also let's set this side to -60. That's a tracking. Okay, -60, and then we are going to click this side, and we're going to pick in closer to orange over there. Okay, you want it to be closer to the colors over there like that. Good. Control H, Control T. Still want it to be middle aligned. Okay, want it to be middle aligned. We're going to duplicate it, and we're going to drag it down. All right, now you can see it's over here like this. You want it to be here, and then maybe drag it to the middle, something like that. Let's go there. We're still using Montserrat, but we're going to set the font over here to 12, really small. And then we are not going to use extra bold, we're going to use semi bold. Okay, and then we're going to make it all caps, and so we're going to come and pick this one, and then we are going to paste it there. Let's drag it up, control. All right, so you can see it's in the middle. That is good, right? Now we're going to mess with the tracking. Let's set it to 150 to spread it out nicely like that, and then let's just keep it somewhere there. Okay, now I'm also going to pick the let's see, the message. All right, the message, I'm going to drag the message in there. I'm going to leave it here, or I'll go to place embedded, and I'm going to pick it, the message here. Good, and I'm going to drag it down as well. Now this is where many people get it wrong. Okay, you want the font, sorry, the space over here to be the exact space over here, and so to achieve that we may have to pull in this image down a bit more to achieve that. Okay, and then also, guys, Control H, make sure it's in the middle, make sure this is also in the middle. Good, and make sure that is also in the middle. Okay, now that we have done achieving everything, let's put it all in a group, and then that is it. Okay, but because this is a Eid wishing flyer or something like that, you want to make sure you bring in the logo of the company or whatever it is that you are business you are running. Okay, so you're going to put it there, let people know that that is what you are doing. But guys, so this is how you create something like this. Now if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. I love you all, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.